Blasters take forever to fill, not the X-Shock Fast Fill.
I'll give you guys a head start.
Fill the Fast Fill in 1 second. Dunk, fill, close, and blast. The ultimate blaster with rapid fill and sealing technology. Fast Fill in the pool. Is this seat taken? Fast Fill in the hot tub. Fast Fill in the lake. Because a Fast Fill is everything. Up your game with the Zuru X-Shock.
Soak the competition with speed and ease never seen before? Fill and tie 100 water balloons in just 60 seconds. That's 100 water balloons locked, loaded, and delivered at rapid speed. Zuru Bunch of Balloons blast the competition out of the water with one self-sealing shake. Attach Zuru Bunch of Balloons to any nozzle and fill them all at once for epic ammunition. You'll be firing them while the neighbors are filling them one by one. Water balloon warfare will never be the same. No more getting tangled in ties. Zuru Bunch of Balloons, they're a total blast. Self-sealing Zuru Bunch of
crossfire.